So how many horror stories did you hear about people trying to take advantage of renters? So this video is especially about that because enough is just enough. Hi everyone, this is Rachel Dadon here in the beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada, and today I decided to do a special really short video and to warn you or give you helpful tips, dear renters, how to protect yourselves. So let's start by, let's start with, if you are new to our channel, go ahead, first of all, welcome, and go ahead, subscribe, hit the like button, and just to make sure that you will never lose this valuable content. So let's start right away. I'm going to share with you 2 horror stories, and then you'll understand the importance of doing your homework. So last year we listed a vacant property for sale. Only for sale, not for rent. In a matter of hours, someone stole the pictures, the information, and posted it on Craigslist as if the property is for rent. The reason why they are doing it, especially in vacant properties, because they know that the traffic over there is really slow, so they have like a matter of like few hours or like even like few days to be in contact with people, scam them from their like deposit, especially people that are moving to Vegas out of state and they are not here to go ahead and view the property. So they go and they share with them these beautiful pictures. They're like, oh yeah, if you want to for me to like reserve the house for you, just transfer $500, $100, $1,000, whatever. This way they are scamming people, renters, out of their money, and no one really knows who is that person after that. So of course we saw that a fake ad in a matter of hours, reported them to the police, to Craigslist. That ad was shut down. So if you decided that you want to go ahead and rent directly from the owner before you give them or transfer them 1 cent, you need to make sure that that person is actually the owner of that property. And how do you do that? Really simple. So that person will usually ask you for your social ID, pay stubs, before you give them any of your, that's like such valuable information. Before you give them anything, tell them, share with them your concerns. I'm sure that dear owner, I'm sure that you're like super reliable person, but unfortunately I heard so many horror stories out there. So I just want to make sure that you are the owner of the house, and I'm sure that you will understand and why my request and my question is justifiable. If that person is trying to do anything shady, they will just be alarmed. They're like, wait, why are you asking me for that? And just keep on requesting their full name, their contact information, their ID, some kind of proof that they are actually the owners of the house. If they are not willing to give you any information, you should consider maybe to walk away, because that might be a warning sign. So that was 1 horror story and 1 tip. Now let's go right ahead and go to another horror story. Unfortunately, there are too many out there. If you heard of a horror story or had experienced one yourself and have some good advice or guidance, please leave it in the comments below, because our job, this whole channel, is to share valuable information with our community and to help people make better decisions. So the second horror story was a friend of a friend reached out and shared that she unknowingly signed a contract with the tenant of a property, not with the owner. It was a sublease. The owner wasn't aware of it, and once the owner learned about it, he was super pissed. He kicked her out of the house, and this whole ordeal was very unfortunate. And she lost her deposit because the people that she gave the deposits to, it wasn't the owner. It's people that she doesn't really know. She doesn't really know how to contact them right now. So that's another horror story. And I want to share with you another tip. So once you have the owner's name, you are able to cross-reference it with the information that you'll be able to really easily find in the Clark County website. Just enter the address you will have on the left hand side. You will be able to see the property's owners history, a lot of like valuable information. But like one of the biggest things is you want to be 100% sure that the people that the person that you are talking with is actually the legal owner and he has the right to rent out the property. So that's crucial. From my experience as a realtor, a lot of those things are being done by us because that's actually one of the parts of our job, and the biggest part is to make sure that our clients are protected. But if after all you decide that you don't want to deal with realtors, you don't want to deal with property management, the decision is yours. What I'm trying to tell you is just do your homework so no one will be able to take advantage of you, steal your deposit, and then in a matter of like few days after signing the contract, you'll find yourself being asked to leave the property because you signed a contract with someone that is not the owner. So if something like this ever happened to you, please feel free to write it down in the comments below, just so more people will know how to be aware, what to do, and to make better decisions. Thank you so much for joining us today. If there are any other topics that you would like us to address, leave them in the comments below. As always, we're always here for you. This channel is all about educating our community and helping people. You have a blessed day. Be safe and just love each other. Thank you so much.